Hi, it's Monday afternoon and we're doing the first lesson of week 4. We're going on to the next section of chapter 3. That's chapter 3.2 on acids and bases. So remember, the first thing to do is go to week 4 and it's the first lesson of the week. Mark your attendance. Please do that first thing. I'll pause, or you pause this video while you go and do that. Now, a couple other things that need to be checked off. I have about 3 students who haven't submitted their work habits based on how they went in term 1. So please just click on that and it will take you to a rubrics, and you just click on what you feel is your assessment of your behavior, efforts, organizational and work. And there is also another 6 students who have not submitted their chapter 3.1 revision. So if you go back to lesson 5, there's a Word document. You're supposed to answer the questions and save it to Google and upload to this place here. And you have a video to show you how to do that on how to submit. Okay, so click on that if you need some advice. Otherwise, we move on to chapter 6. Remember, you are actually using this program right now. So let's go to number 6, and there's your task. So you have marked your attendance. You're going to watch these 2 videos. But first of all, don't forget you open up this Word document. And there's your 5 easy steps. Do save as and save to your Google Drive. So put your name in there. This you'll come back after you've done the video. In other words, a summary of your lesson and what you have learnt on this section. Here, don't have just click there and type in your answer. And keep it nice and short and simple. So you've got your pre-video, you have your PowerPoint, that's the chapter 3.2, and we're asking you to go slides 2 and 3. Remember your summary of that into your summary book. Now watch the videos, and after the videos, complete these questions. Again, these are generally multiple choice questions, so we're just getting some practice on those as well. So a very easy exercise on post video. I'll just save it to your Google Drive, and then you can do the last task. And the last task is they want you to complete this interactive PowerPoint. Now, listening here, it's got a trick to it. So that's this one here, a PowerPoint, writing chemical equations, download it. Let's pause while it does that. It's a fairly long PowerPoint. You'll most probably get this in comment. You need to enable the comment, and hopefully this comes up on the screen, and you must click on I recognize this content. It is safe. Continue. And now you go down here and present the PowerPoint slideshow. So it's a case of clicking your way through it. And every so often, can you think of answer some basic questions? Uh, as I say, it's a quick summary or review of the previous chapters. You may be asked to press a play button so that you can, let's try that. And there you go. It will go through the process. So we are doing a prac in some ways. So work your way through that. As I say, a review of previous work. And that will be the end of this lesson. Have a good day.